Yesterday, at the Citizen Charity Dinner, President Nelson Chamisa broke his silence, announcing that he has set in motion the formation of a new political party or the new alternative. He expressed confidence that this party will significantly impact Zimbabwe's political landscape. Sanabina mashoko atuna kuti ayo ari kugondozo nchamisa ayo vano-announce the new political party on the 15th of December 2024 not for subscriber obwalaika utina on the bell kuti yura vanapa tuna kuti mudani functions. This announcement marks the second time President Chamisa has reassured both local and international audiences about the imminent launch of this new political entity. His first mention of the party occurred during the memorial service of his uncle, Chomonoro Chamisa in Gutu. The new is coming, no two ways. In recent months, various factions including ZANU-PF Chabamsi team and Professor Ushman Move team have propagated unfounded narratives suggesting that President Chamisa would not return to active politics. Such claims appear to be deliberate attempts to undermine public confidence and discourage citizen engagement. However, at the dinner, President Chamisa made it clear that he is returning to the political arena with renewed vigor, introducing what he referred to as his new baby to the nation. Ndo mashoko atuna kuti aiwa advocate vachizouya aiwa vakakanzura mashoko aitaugwa nevakomana vesamozoti vatengesi aiwa vachizama kuda kumudzikisira pasi vachiti aiwa haachasimuki zvekare pa the political arena kana kuita active politics, but muzvara nezuro akabuda pachena akati vakomana aiwa the new is coming, no two ways. Ndo mashoko atuna kuona kuti aiwa akabva believisa vanhu the ground breaking aiwa dinner yakaita nezuro yefundraising. Tudze mafunguro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Penda comment section medu, subscribe, like, turn on the bell icon.